New Google AI Studio update is insane. Today I'm going to show you the craziest Google update I've ever seen. They just turned Google AI Studio into a full app builder. You don't need to code, you don't need a team, you just type what you want and it builds the whole thing, front end, back end, multiplayer, all of it. And the wildest part, it keeps working even when you walk away. So Google just dropped something huge, and honestly, nobody is really talking about this yet. Google AI Studio just got a massive update, and it's not just some little tweak. This is a whole new beast. They basically turned what used to be an AI playground into a full stack app builder. Let me say that again, a full app builder. Inside Google AI Studio, you type a prompt and it builds you a complete app, not just the front end, not just a pretty button, the whole thing. Back end, database, login system, everything. Now here's where it gets wild. They integrated something called the anti-gravity coding agent. This is an autonomous coding assistant that lives inside the tool. And when I say autonomous, I mean it. You give it a task, it figures out the structure, it writes the code, it connects the pieces, and it doesn't stop until the job is done. You don't have to hold its hand, you don't have to guide it step by step, it just goes. On top of that, they plugged in Firebase. So now you've got a real backend. Firestore database sets itself up, authentication is built in, login, sign up, the whole flow, and it's all ready to go live. You're not just prototyping anymore, you're building real apps that real people can use. Now let me show you what this actually looks like, because this is the part that blew my mind. I opened up Google AI Studio, I typed one prompt, I said build me a full stack SaaS app with authentication, a dashboard, user profiles, and real-time updates. Use modern UI and best practices. That's it, that's all I typed. And it started building. The UI showed up, the structure came together, login pages, dashboard layout, user profiles, all from one prompt, no dragging and dropping, no switching between 10 different tools, just one prompt, and it goes. Hey, if we haven't met already, I'm the digital avatar of Julian Goldie, CEO of Goldie Agency. Whilst he's helping clients get more leads and customers, I'm here to help you get the latest AI updates. Julian Goldie reads every comment, so make sure you comment below. Now let me keep going because it gets even better. I gave it another prompt. I said add real-time collaboration so multiple users can interact simultaneously. And just like that, it turned my app into a multiplayer experience. Real-time syncing, multiple users on the same page at the same time. The backend handled everything automatically. I didn't have to set up WebSockets. I didn't have to configure a server. It just worked. Think about what that means. You could build a real-time chat app, a collaborative to-do list, a live project board, all from a simple prompt. And the backend, Google AI Studio, handles it through Firebase. It sets up the database schema. It connects everything. You just tell it what you want and it figures out the rest. Now, here's where it gets really interesting. You can connect real-world APIs. I'm talking about things like live weather data, external databases, third-party services. You tell the agent what API you want to use. It stores the keys securely and it wires everything up. So I gave it another prompt. I said, connect a live weather API and display real-time data on the dashboard. And it did it. It pulled in the API, it built the display, it connected everything automatically. Now stop and think about this for a second. You've got a full app with a login system, a dashboard, real-time collaboration, and now live API integrations, all built from prompts. No code written by hand, no back-end engineer, no front-end developer, just you and Google AI Studio. But wait, there's one more thing that honestly made my jaw drop, the autonomous agent. I gave it one final prompt. I said, analyze the entire project and improve performance, UI, and structure. And then I stepped back. I didn't guide it. I didn't tell it what to fix. I just let it run. And it went through the whole project on its own. It found issues, it cleaned up the code, improved the design, it optimized the structure all by itself.